Hello students, let's learn about swapping or interchanging. We have stored 180 value into n variable and 63 value into m variable. Now in swapping, we have to store the value of n into m and the value of m into n. What to do in swapping? We will have to store the value of n into m. So but m is already containing a value. So we have to shift the value of m at another place. We are taking another variable t for storing the value of m. So now 180 value can be easily kept into m variable. So now in next step we will shift the value of t to n variable. So now we have done swapping by taking third variable. So now we will see swapping steps using C language. Now we are showing you a rough computer memory. We know computer memory is made up of number of cells and every cell has a particular number. That number is called memory address or memory location. So now we are taking n variable. Now in this case computer or compiler of C will go to memory and search for an empty cell. And when empty cell will be found, then that cell name will be given as n. And in next we are taking m variable. In the same way compiler will search an empty cell for m and that empty cell will be given a name m. Whatever variable name we take, that name is given to the searched cell. So now ninth cell has been given a name m. Now we will store two values. We are storing 180 value into n and 63 value into m. Now we will do shifting. We will do interchanging. In interchanging, we will shift the value of n into m. But m is already containing a value, so we will take another variable t. So for t, an empty cell will be searched and that cell will be given name t. Now we will shift the value of m into t by writing t equal to m statement. So by writing this statement, the value of m will come to t. Now in the same way, next we will bring the value of n into m. Now after m, we will shift the value of t to n. So we have done shifting, we have done interchanging. So now the value of n is 63 and value of m is 180. So now we will write a complete program. In complete program, we will print at the end swapped value. So I hope you will have understood the steps of swapping. In next session, we will learn next topic. We end our session here. Till then, have a nice time and thank you.